You aren't overweight, you're just inflamed. Most Americans are walking around with 5 to 10 pounds of waste weight trapped in their digestive tract, and no amount of cardio will burn it off. But what if you could flush it all out in exactly 24 hours? Tonight, we're triggering your gut's internal janitor to stop the bloating and reset your metabolism overnight. This isn't a fad diet, it's biological science that the food industry doesn't want you to know. Before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to the channel now, and if you are already subscribed, then thank you so much. Let's get started. Step 1. The 8 p.m. janitor phase. The secret to a flat stomach tomorrow starts at 8 p.m. tonight. Your gut has a cleaning cycle called the Migrating Motor Complex. It only works when you are not eating. If you have even a healthy late-night snack, you fire the janitor. We're doing a strict 12-hour fast. This allows your gut to sweep out undigested food that's currently fermenting and creating the gas that makes your jeans feel tight. Step 2. The 8 a.m. Saline Flush. At 8 a.m., we hit the reset button. Most people reach for coffee, which is acidic and can cramp an empty stomach. Instead, take 16 ounces of warm water, half a lemon, and a pinch of Celtic sea salt. The salt isn't for flavor, it's for your tight junctions. It helps pull water into the colon to move waste out while healing the gut lining. You'll feel a flush within 30 minutes. That is your body dumping the inflammation. Step 3. The anti-bloat food rule. By noon, your gut is in repair mode. The biggest mistake? Eating a massive raw salad. Raw kale and broccoli are like sandpaper to an inflamed gut. Today, we only eat pre-digested foods. Think steamed carrots, ginger-infused broth, or white rice. We want zero friction. We're giving your system a 24-hour vacation from hard-to-break-down fibers. The hidden bloaters and call to action. Avoid sparkling water and gum today. They're just air-filled traps. If you do this for 24 hours, your energy will spike and your stomach will flatten. If you're tired of feeling heavy, comment reset below. And if you want to know why your gut was making you gain weight in the first place, watch Your Gut is Making You Gain Weight next.